Hi, I'm Merlin.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Amanda.
We're the Mouse Squad at QUBS, led by Dr. Vincent Careau of the University of Ottawa. We're studying the functional ecology of white-footed mice by looking for patterns of variation and covariation between a multitude of traits.
Because mice are nocturnal, every night at sundown we set traps baited with apples and seeds. A piece of cotton is also provided so they can make a temporary nest. At 5 a.m. the next day, we go out to check for any captures. Captured mice are measured for their docility, weight, sex, age, and reproductive status. We also count and remove any parasites, such as fleas or ticks, which we keep in these little vials for further study.
All mice are given ear tags and a name so we can identify them when they were captured again. This one here is Mothman, one of our heaviest mice, and this is Senor, a juvenile. Some mice are then taken back to our lab for further testing. We put them in this large tub to measure their exploratory behavior in new environments. This is also when we measure their tendency to groom themselves. Grip strength is then tested by pulling the mice along a force gauge, and then body length, tail length, and foot length are also recorded. Next, we weigh the mice again.
This large box is hooked up to a machine that can measure basal metabolic rate, which is the energy consumption at rest for any species. We put the mice in these chambers, and then we have oxygen flow through. And after that, we measure the difference between oxygen after it goes into the chamber and the ambient oxygen, which gives us an idea of their energy consumption. After that's done, sprint speed is tested on a racetrack with touch-sensitive pads, and the mice are released where we found them.
On certain days, we also check our nest boxes, which are strapped to trees. We process any mice we find, record the state of their nests, and note any other inhabitants such as bees, spiders, and ant colonies. Sometimes we are able to find a mom and her litter of pups, which allows us to build a family tree. Thanks for watching. You can check out this link for more information. Have a great day.